took this tire off this rim. Today, we're going to show you how to reinstall the tire on the rim.
Once the tire is removed from the rim, inspect the tire and the rim for cleanliness and damage.
Next, lubricate both beads of the tire.
The next step is to properly mount the upper and lower beads of the tire. And in order to successfully mount the tire, the bead needs to be above the duckbill in the rear and below the duckbill in the front. The wheel assembly rotates. Apply pressure to the tire to keep the bead in the drop zone of the rim.
Next, seat the beads and inflate the tire. For most vehicles, proper air pressure specifications can be found on the driver's door or door jamb area.
Next, we mount the wheel assembly back onto the vehicle.
Next, find the proper torque spec.
Next, we perform our final torque in a star pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.